Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loop. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how easily I make this crochet teddy bear hat for a premature kid very easily. Any beginner can make this, and I have also provided the size chart in the description box, so check it out. So let's begin. Firstly, we will do a magic circle. Okay, we will twine the yarn like this around two fingers, forming an X. Then insert your hook, okay, below the first loop and pull the second loop like this. Then yarn over and pull the yarn through that loop. Okay, so the magic circle is ready. Before each round, I have provided the written direction. So take a screenshot and proceed with the video. We will first do a chain 2. Okay, this is the first half double crochet of this round. Then yarn over, and in the magic circle we will be doing 5 more half double crochets. Okay, so in total there are 6 half double crochets, taking the first chain 2 as a half double crochet. Okay, so all the 6 half double crochets of this round is done. Okay, we will just pull the tail of the magic circle to shorten the circle and complete this round, okay, with a slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, so this round is complete. We will now begin the round 2 with a chain 2. Okay, so 1 and 2, this is the first half double crochet of this round. Yarn over and do one more half double crochet in the same stitch. So 2 half double crochet done in the same stitch. Okay, in the following stitch we will again do 2 half double crochets. Okay, we are going to do the stitches in the second loop of the half double crochet stitch of the previous round. Okay, so in half double crochets there are 3 loops. Okay, so first, second and third. So we are going to do the stitches in the second loop like this, in the topmost loop. Okay, like this. So in this round we are going to do 2 half double crochets in each of the round. Okay, so 1 and 2, done. In the following stitch again we are going to do 2 half double crochets in the upper loop of the half double crochet stitch of the previous round. Done. So in this way there will be a total of 12 half double crochets in this round. We will quickly complete this round, okay, and reach to the end of this round. So after all the 12 half double crochets are done, just count for your own benefit. Okay, after all the 12 half double crochets are done, we will just complete this round with a slip stitch. Okay, we will now begin the round 3. Okay, so this is the written direction. We will begin with a chain 2. This chain 2 is the first half double crochet of this round. Okay, after that in the next stitch, in the second loop of the half double crochet of the previous round, we are going to do 2 half double crochets. Okay, again in the following stitch we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the second loop of the stitch. Okay, and again in the following stitch 2 half double crochets in the second loop. So we are doing the stitches in the second loop. As I told you, the half double crochets have 3 loops, the first, second and the third loop at the back. So we are doing our stitches in the second loop, not in the first or the third loop. Okay, this is going to give a self design to our beanie hat. which you will observe soon after a few rounds are done. Okay, and the order of stitches in this round are 1 half double crochet in one stitch, followed by 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Okay, we'll soon complete our round. This round is going to contain a total of 18 half double crochets. Okay, we have completed all the stitches and complete this round with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, we will begin the round 4. Okay, with a chain 2, 1 half double crochet in the following stitch, again in the second loop of the stitch. Okay, we will do like this throughout this entire beanie hat. We will do 2 half double crochets in the following stitch, again in the second loop. Okay, so in this entire hat we are going to do the stitches in the second loop, except in the last round. Okay, in the next stitch 1 half double crochet, again in the following stitch 1 half double crochet. Okay, then in the following stitch 2 half double crochets. Okay, so this is the order: 1 half double crochet followed by 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochets. Okay, we will do like this throughout the round till we reach the end, and this round is going to contain a total of 24 half double crochet stitches. At the end, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, we will begin the round 5 with a chain 2. In the next 2 stitches we are going to do 1 half double crochet each in the second loop of the stitches as usual. Okay, in the fourth stitch from the beginning we are going to do 2 half double crochets. Okay, 1 and 2. So this is going to be the order, that is in the following 3 stitches 1 half double crochet each. Okay, like this, and in the fourth stitch we are going to do 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. So again in the next 3 stitches 1 half double crochets each. Okay, and after that in the fourth stitch we are going to do 2 half double crochets. We are going to repeat this till the end, and this round is going to contain a total of 30 half double crochets. At the end of this round we are going to complete this round with a slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, we are now going to begin the round 6. Okay, with a chain 2 as usual. In the next 3 stitches we are going to do 1 half double crochet each. Okay, in the fifth stitch from the beginning we are going to do 2 half double crochets. Okay, so 1 and 2. In the next 4 stitches we are going to do 1 half double crochet each. Again in the fifth stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets, so 1 and 2. So the order is like this: in the next 4 stitches 1 half double crochet each. Okay, and in the fifth stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets, and we will repeat. Okay, So in total there are 36 stitches in this round. Okay, at the end we will complete this round with a slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, we will begin this round with a chain 2. In the next 4 stitches we are going to do one half double crochet each. Okay, done. Then in the 6th stitch we are going to do 2 half double crochets. So 1 and 2. In the next 5 stitches we will be doing one half double crochet each. We will do 2 half double crochets in the 6th stitch. Okay, so 1 and 2. So this is going to be the order. In the next 5 stitches, 1 half double crochet each, and in the 6th stitch we are going to do 2 half double crochets. Okay, so we will continue doing like this till we reach the end. After the last 2 half double crochets we are going to do a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, and complete this round. So it's done. In the row 8 we are going to begin with a chain 2, and in each of the stitches of this of the previous round we are going to do one half double crochet each, and of course in the second loop of the stitches. Okay, so in total this round is going to contain 42 half double crochets. When we have reached the end of this round, we will simply do a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Again chain 2 and begin the next round. Okay, and we will do the same, that is one half double crochet in each of the following stitches. Okay, and this is the 9th round, and similarly after this round we will do 5 more times the same thing. Okay, we have completed 13 rounds. Okay, so just measure it. The height of the beanie should be at least 4 inches and the circumference should be at least 9 inches. We are about to do the last round of half double crochets, so chain 2, and in the remaining stitches do one half double crochet each. Okay, so in total 42 half double crochets in this round. We will quickly complete this round. Okay, and at the end slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round, followed by a chain 1. Okay, so it's done. So the our beanie is more or less ready, and if you measure the height it's about 4 inches. Okay, now we will just cut the yarn. Okay, now we are about to do the border of the beanie. Okay, so take a contrasting colored yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of the previous round. Okay, where we ended the round. Just do a slip stitch in that stitch. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and then in the same stitch we will do a single crochet stitch. After that we are going to do single crochet stitches in the back loop of the half double crochet stitch. Okay, as I said earlier, half double crochets contain 3 loops. Okay, 2 at the top and the third one is at the back. So we are going to do the stitches in that back loop. Okay, so single crochet in the back loop. In each of the falling stitches, one single crochet each. Okay, in the back loop. And this will give a very beautiful effect to our beanie. If you want, you can do the single crochet stitches in the first 2 loops. Okay, but okay, that will also look good, but this looks better. So quickly complete your single crochet stitches at the back loop. Okay, and come to the end of the round. We have come to the end of this round. Okay, we will complete this round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. Okay, like this, followed by a chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn, and our beanie is more or less ready. Weave in the ends. Okay, our beanie is ready to be used just as it is. Now we will take the inch tape and measure the length. Okay, so it is about 4.5 inches and the height is about 4 inches. Okay, so the length is 4.5 inches, that means the circumference is nearly 9 inches. So this is the measurement for a premature kid. Okay, I have added teddy bear ears for decorating the beanie. So let's start making the ears. For that, take the sky blue colored yarn and make a magic circle. I already showed you how to do that in the beginning. Okay, and after that we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Yarn over, and in the magic circle we are going to do 14 double crochets. Okay, so taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, in total we are going to have 15 double crochets. So we will quickly complete this round. Just count the number of stitches you made. It should be exactly 15. Taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, and chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Okay, for the border of the ear, we will take the green colored yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. We will be slip stitching in any of the stitches. Okay, followed by a chain 1. Done. In the same stitch we are going to do a single crochet, and in the next 13 stitches one single crochet each. At the end we will simply do a chain 1, okay, and keep a long tail for sewing. Done. Okay, so our teddy bear ears are ready. We will simply stitch it to our beanie hat. Okay, the stitching is very easy. I will show it to you very quickly. Okay, I have already stitched one of the ears, okay, to our beanie hat. I will be stitching the other one and show it to you. It's very simple. Just symmetrically place the other ear to the hat, okay, and insert the long tail into the needle and just sew it. Sewing is very simple, very simple. To make the stitching tighter, we will do another round of stitching, okay. Take out the extra yarn inside, okay, and cut it out. So our beanie hat is ready with two tiny teddy bear hats. So I'm pretty sure our preemie kids will look very cute in these hats. I hope you liked this tutorial. Always cut the loose ends, okay. Anyways, you can always hide it in the ears or anywhere. I hope you liked this tutorial. It is very easy. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a great day.